Okay, we're getting ready to go kayaking. We're gonna have fun, or are we crazy? Who knows? Getting out, enjoying the weather. The river's a little crazy, as you can see. So, if I make it back, I'll have this in my video tomorrow. Okay, waves upcoming. First little waterfall. Hard to believe in Northern Ohio you got stuff this beautiful right here. Make the best of everything. First swim of the day complete. Got flipped over. Really wasn't bad. Alright. Checking out some beautiful rock formations behind me here. Pretty neat kayaking. I've seen one eagle so far. It was huge. Bunch of geese, not a whole lot of other wildlife. But yeah, great ride. It's moving fast. Water's pretty gnarly today. Pretty choppy. This is one of the smoothest spots, which is why I got my phone out again, because yeah, didn't want to wipe out and lose it. Had to get out, get a picture of this, or video of this sweet big raging waterfall. See down there how fast the water's moving. Another beautiful cliffside. Just show you how angry the water is today. There's some big white water that we're rolling through. Alright, taking a break, draining some of the water out of the kayak. Got Ninja Warrior Michelle Warnke here. And her husband, Michelle Burma, sorry. Yeah, my bad. And her husband, Joel Burma. Getting some of the water out. We just went through some crazy rapids and got a little bit wet. The other cool thing about this river is it's filled with shale. Good. There you go. Always remember, regardless of everything that's going on, get out there and live your best life. Find something fun to do. Today was a blast.